Good evening, all of you. Welcome to the session on the quick WordPress blog setup. So before starting up with the session, I want to confirm that everybody can hear me and see my screen. Please type in yes or no. Please type in yes or no in the chat panel. Let us just wait for a couple of minutes more to let other people join. Okay, so let us begin with the session. So I hope everybody have set up your AWS, Amazon Web Services account, server, and WordPress. I assume you all have set it up. And for those who haven't got their domains mapped with their IP address, so I want to advise them. I want to advise you that please use your IP address to log into your WordPress dashboards. And for anybody who hasn't got the domain mapped, we will be connecting your domain and the AWS server right when you send us the request on email. Yes, Nirav Patel. From now onwards, I'll be conducting this session. Previously, it was led by Dharmendra Digari. Is it fine for you, Nirav? Okay. So let us begin with the session. Okay, Tariq, if you don't have the domain yet, and you can either purchase a domain or you can select a subdomain on our website. Just send an email to us. Please make a note of my email ID. It's hasibam@digitalvidya.co.in. Please choose a name for your domain, and we'll be creating a subdomain or DVs, our own domain. Or if you want to purchase a domain of your own, then we can guide you with the setup process. Okay, Tariq. So let us move forward. So guys, after setting up the AWS server and installing WordPress, the first step we have to take is log into the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard actually. To do that, just type in your domain name in the browser window. In my case, it is, as you can see, it is staging.digitalvidya.com. And for after typing the domain name, just put in a /, then wp-admin. So this is the complete URL to log in to visit your WordPress dashboard. And for people who don't have your domains mapped with your IP address, you can type in your IP address, as you can see on my screen, the IP address followed by the / and then wp-admin. Is it fine? For those who haven't mapped your domain with the IP address, you can use your IP address to log into your website. And I'll be logging in with my domain. Okay, and I recommend you, all of you, to go hand in hand. Please log into your website and implement all the instructions. Shilu will be mapping your IP address after you send an email to us. When you send for any request regarding domain mapping, please send us an email and we will map your domain with the email with the IP address. Okay. So I have typed in my domain name followed by a forward slash and then wp-admin. So I'm gonna hit enter and this will take me to the WordPress dashboard. I have already logged in here, but let us show you to recreate the procedure. Once you type in the URL, you have to put in a forward slash, then wp-admin, and then hit enter. Now you will get landed on the login page. Here, you just need to put in your username. In your case, it must be user only, but in my case, it is Digital Vidya. And I have put in my username, and now I'm going to put in my password. Okay, so I have logged in again to my dashboard. So have you guys followed me till here? Any doubts regarding the IP address, login URL, or anything? We still have the new people joining in. Yes, Tariq, may I know where you are stuck? Okay, Tariq, no issues. So, okay, so let us begin with our first step. What we're gonna do first is we have to edit our profile. So to do that, simply just hover onto this menu item on the top right corner. It must be howdy, comma, user in your case, or whatever name you have chosen while setting up your AWS account. So in my case, it is Digital Vidya, and when I hover onto that, I see some new options popping down. So just click this link, edit my profile. Biku will be resolving this later. Whatever issues you have regarding WordPress installation, and we'll be sharing some set of videos with you very soon. Tomorrow, either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then you will be following those videos and you won't encounter any problem after that. Okay? And I recommend you to keep attending this session because this will help you while setting up your WordPress blog, and you can set up your WordPress and AWS later. Which task are you actually talking about, Biku? Yes, Biku, that is what I'm saying. This is about the self-hosted blog only. This video session is about setting up your WordPress self-hosted blog. And the first step, this is actually the second step. This is the entire WordPress setup process. The first step was to create an AWS account and set up WordPress on the server. So if you haven't been through that, you can do it later also. But for now, you can keep attending this session. Okay? So where were we? We were about to edit our profile. So to do that, simply hover onto the top right corner, this link, and then click this Edit My Profile item. So here are the profile options. Just scroll down a bit, and as you can see under the name section, my username is set up as Digital Vidya. In your case, it must be user, and my first name is already set as Digital, and the last name is Vidya, followed by the nickname, and it is Digital Vidya only. But what if I want to have my own name here? If I type in my name here, it will be set up as my nickname. Moving on, if I click this drop down here, this
Ye-